Hi, welcome to Learning Audio Visually. Today, we'll examine the question, what is culture? The concept of culture is very complex, and it can be defined in many ways. In this video, we'll answer this question through the use of a metaphor. Culture is like an onion. Just like an onion, culture is multi-layered. And to explain this point, let's take a look at Professor Kenneth Guest's lecture on how a McDonald's Happy Meal can be analyzed in order to describe some elements of American culture.
Any general thoughts about what Happy Meal tells us about American culture? Yes.
People like eating fast foods.
Fast foods.
Fast food is common in the USA.
All right. Well, let's dig in a little bit and see what we can find inside and see what it tells us. And I think we can think more deeply maybe about what this tells us about diet, what it tells us about our economy, what it tells us about agriculture and industry, maybe the environment, government, globalization. Let's see what we got. So, in the American culture, what's the focus of every meal?
Meat.
Yeah, meat. It's not true in every culture. So other cultures have pasta, other carbohydrates, rice as the center.
The US has a meat-centric diet.
How do we know that's a hamburger?
Because it's round.
Ah, it's round. All hamburgers are round. Anything else?
It has beef in it.
It has beef in it. All right. So actually, there's a government agency in the US that tells you what can and cannot go into a hamburger. You can't have pork. But you can have all kinds of different kinds of beef.
In the US, there are governmental regulations on hamburgers.
It has a huge impact on the environment. To get 10 pounds of steak, you use the same amount of water as a family would use in an entire year. So it's very intensive, and that puts a lot of pressure on water supplies because, of course, the beef isn't just grown in the United States. We grow it. McDonald's grows it in Brazil and other countries, so it has an impact on rainforests, which are sometimes cut down for grazing lands. So this hamburger isn't just something you eat at McDonald's. It has this whole life to it that actually spans the globe.
The American diet impacts the environment.
So I picked up a Coke today. Sometimes I get orange juice, but then I found out that the orange juice actually has more sugar in it than the Coke. Yes?
How much more sugar does it have?
Child-size Coke has 29 grams of sugar, which is, this bag is 4 grams. So for all of you mathematicians out there, that means we have to have 7 bags of sugar to make this Coke. Let's see, that's 5, 6, 7. An orange juice is 41 grams of sugar.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So times 4, I gotta have 3 more. All right, so that's what I got. All right, so I've got 10. All right, so we know that American diets are heavy in fat and heavy in sugar.
The American diet also tends to be high in sugar.
And let's go to the toy, because there's something else about this Happy Meal which really makes it happy. What do we got? Ooh. What's going on with the toy? Why do we have a toy in a Happy Meal? Yeah.
To attract the kids.
Oh, because you want kids to buy it. Why do you want kids to buy this Happy Meal? What's our goal with the kids?
To feed them and reward them with a toy, I guess.
All right, if they eat, we'll give you a toy. I like that. What else you got?
I guess it's for marketing purposes.
All right, because this toy is Batman, the Brave and the Bold. This is the Black Manta sub-launcher, and we could take some time to really assemble that toy. What's the message we're offering?
Marketing and merchandising play an important role in foods that are directed towards children. So I hope this example was useful for helping you understand how culture is like an onion, in the words of Professor Guest.
All right, so it's a very complex piece, and we can learn a lot about American culture through it. So basically my point is how small things are embedded in bigger processes and in bigger systems can give us a way of understanding the world in a different way.
I hope this video was helpful for understanding a little bit more about culture. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments if you have any other examples of this metaphor.